I'm going to be making yam, but this is a different kind of yam recipe. Remember the yam that I bought on eBay? That's the yam. It's been 3 weeks now. Let's see whether it's still edible. Bismillah. Wow. I can't believe that I've bought this yam for 3 weeks and it's still intact. This is the first time I'll buy yam and keep it for a long time and the yam will still be okay. It's not easy having to deal with FND. Just peeling one tube of yam and my hand is already aching me. I don't even think maybe I'm going to continue peeling the yam. I'll just take a break. It's not easy at all. Sometimes I do things not because I don't have pain, or but I do it just to keep my sanity. Imagine you don't do anything at all. Subhanallah. The life will just be miserable. Anyway, labasa togo, inshallah. You're almost finished. Just one more left. Salam. I don't know whether I should call this torture or pain or determination or whatever it is. It's not easy at all to do this task. I can't go further. So, alhamdulillah, I finished peeling the yam, so I'll set it aside. I'm using 6 plantain, which is 2 pounds, and the plantain is very big. So that's the plantain. I'm going to add it to the yam. The yam has been boiling a little, so I'm adding the plantain. I got this tool from Temu. They say it's for mashing or cutting meat, so I'm going to use it to mash the plantain and the yam. Wow, mashallah, it's very, very good. It's very effective. I was thinking that it won't work because it's plastic, but it does the job right. I'm faster as well. Again, my hand has started hurting me, so I will take a break. While resting my hand, I decided to crack some egg. I'm using 4 eggs. I don't know whether this white egg is real, that is original. I never saw a lay white egg before. Allah knows best. I'm not sure I'm sure. Two more egg, 1 tablespoon of onion powder and sea pepper. I forgot to buy onion yesterday, so I decided to use the onion powder.